Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are unboxing this foosball table. So I got this as my birthday gift from my uncle. I am very excited to open this. This game can be played with 2 or more players. And it's suitable for all ages basically. It's a space saver because the giant foosball tables will not fit in small apartment houses. So this is a perfect table. This is a perfect table for apartment houses. It has 6 handles, 2 soccer balls, 18 football players, scorekeeper, easy ball return. So it's of a Hamleys company called Rowan. So I think we should start unboxing it. First of all, we need to cut the tape. To cut it to the other side. Okay, we have it out. Okay, so we have lot of parts here. We have it nicely packed in cardboard boxes, as you can see. We have the borders, another box, and another part. I think this goes in the sides. The nut bolt assembly my father will help me with. I have more pieces inside. Okay. We have a manual. And I think, yes, we have all these. Let's unbox the boxes. Yes, we also have this big base plate for the middle part. Okay. We have some nuts. We have the soccer balls. I think there are some, I don't know, an alky and some more screws. I think this takes a lot of assembly. The scorekeeper. Yeah, that's all for this box. Let's see what do we get in this box. I think we will have the players in this box as didn't get the players. No, we have rods and players. There are a lot of parts for this box. It will take time to assemble. Don't know what. These are the stand kind of things. Yeah, one last one. Okay, we got all the parts. Now, I don't know how we will assemble it. I can. First of all, we will check out all the parts one by one. First of all, let's go with this green plate. The field, basically this is the field. It has accurate guidelines to a real football field. We have the midline, we have the 2 goal posts, and we have a line here. So, and then we have this football. They will be kicked by these players. We have red players, we have some blue players.
And yellow players.
Yes, and we have yellow players and white players too. And
First have to assemble like this here. Here like this.
so I'm doing the installment. I've done quite a lot here. Rest of the things I will do on camera. I'm tightening the screws. This is one tight. Let's little uncomfortable with the alkeys, but I'm doing it. So we have this. Now we're gonna install same to same, similar to this. We're gonna install this here in the same manner. Yes, it will be installed like this. So I'm setting the screws. Oh yeah, we got it. Open the screws. I think they have given extra screws, or I don't know, are the screws sufficient? So I'm going to tighten this. Little bit I will do it with the hand, then when it goes a little inside I will tighten it with that. Okay, now let's tighten it with that. I will tighten this also a little bit. See, it can get a little tighter. We are back with the installation. So now we are going to insert the players. We assembled something wrong. We put these things upside down. So we corrected it. Now we are going to put the athletes. So you might be wondering why is the jersey color of this guy different? Because he's the goalkeeper. The goalkeeper has a different color on his jersey. So we have to keep the players alternate. So I will show you how to keep it. First of all, keep the player in this hole and this. They have to kick that side. That's why they are this side. Now these guys have to kick on that side. So they will be facing this side. So we have to do this again. Just a minute. Yes. And then these guys have to kick here. So they will be here, and then these guys have to kick here. So they will be here, and we have the last goalkeeper. The goalkeeper again has a different color here. The yellow team goalkeeper. Will face this. So these are the players. Okay. Now that we have positioned the players, we need to keep this thing on that side. So first of all, I'm gonna turn it carefully. My brother is going to help me a bit. the field is falling, I think. I'll just turn it like that. I'll just adjust the field a bit. Okay. Oh, now that the field is adjusted, as you can see, these holes with the black border around it, these holes need to fit in with these holes. So, and these holes are for the screws. I'll just keep them back so that we can fit them into the holes. Like that. It's a little hard to put them. Nice. Now that we have done this, we need to put the screws on these holes. There are holes here. The camera is this side. So, yeah, these holes, we have to put the screws. We don't have nuts for this side. I really like that. I really appreciate that because putting nuts is actually a little time consuming and it's hard, I think. So let's keep this tool handy. Now fix it inside that. I think we need to tighten it a bit more. Okay, I think it's enough. Let's tighten it this. I'll just lift it up so that get a better grip. Oh. Can you just lift this up? Okay, thanks. Put it down. So now we have the basic setup. Now we have to install these grippers or handles. So what we are going to do is, there you can see this hole, this small hole. We are going to match it with this hole. Now that we have matched with this hole, we are going to take this thing, this small screw. We are gonna put it like that. Now we are going to take the back side of this tool, this side, and then we are going to I'm going to put it inside. Very hard to get not able to get the grip of it, so it may take some time. Let me complete all of this handles, then I will come back. Hope you understood the concept. Now we have installed the handles, grippers, and also one scoreboard. But before we talk about the scoreboard, I have to talk about one major thing about this board. You can't have handles on every side. You will have alternate handles. As there are no holes on every side, as you can see, this side has no hole, the closed side. So this was about the handles. Now the scoreboard. The scoreboard, you can easily memorize the score. You don't need to note it down or think. You can easily put the score, whatever your score is, you can easily adjust like that. Now let's install one scoreboard.
Take it.
Okay, first of all, we are going to take that like this. Now we have to take this thing. It's like a window, so you have to keep it on the opposite side of the where we have installed this thing.
0. You have to put in 0.
I'm having difficulty with it. Just a second. Yes.
0.
I've started the window down with some help. Now what we will do is we're gonna keep this one thing here. I'll just move this side. So there are little holes given there. You have to do it. Okay, I'll just lift it up. And then I will do it like that. Yes. Now we have the scoreboards installed. Let's move for the next step, the stand. Okay, now we are done with the handles, the scoreboards and everything. Now the last and final step is installing these stands. To install these stands, we have holes over here and we have also got holes over here. I'm going to install the stands kind of like this. Actually, I need some help here. Can you just lift it? Very good. Now we're going to put one here and the other one here. We're going to tighten this a bit.
We can do with this key.
Yes, now we will use the add key. Okay. So it's getting a little hard here. So we are ready with this set. I'm done with this stands. Now we are ready to enjoy. So we have balls here. One is for spare. We use only one ball for this game. Okay. So we have this ball. Keep it in the center. Okay, let's start. Okay, we are playing it for the first time, so no. No. I want to go. I win. Okay, we are ready with this set. I'm done with the stands and everything. Now we are ready to enjoy and play in our balcony.